Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jamaican hard dough bread using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of strong bread flour, 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1½ cups of warm water. Make sure your yeast is active by letting it bloom for 5 minutes. This ensures a perfect rise for your delicious bread. Now let's get our hands into the dough. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients. Gradually add the proofed yeast mixture and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix everything until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough vigorously for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth, elastic, and springs back when poked. After all that kneading, it's time for the dough to rest and rise. Place your beautifully kneaded dough into a lightly greased bowl, cover it with a clean cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. Gently punch down the risen dough, then shape it into a classic rectangular loaf. Place this into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Almost there. Let your shaped loaf rise again in the pan for another 30 to 45 minutes, or until it has nearly doubled. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the bread for about 30 minutes until it's golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. Once baked, let this incredible hard dough bread cool completely on a wire rack before slicing and enjoying its wonderful texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.